Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the Collector's Challenge in Heartopia game Winter Frost Season. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up the Winter event menu and I'm going to show you about the Collector's Challenge. Okay, and basically you just need to fill the material collection box with the Winter material collection, and you can fill your own material box, or you can also fill the other DG members material box. And since I've already filled my box fully, here I'm going to help another DG members to fill the collection box. Okay, the collection box will appear in front of your house, and if this box doesn't appear, it means that your level is not high enough, and you need to level up your DG members first. And there's a sign to fill this box. If you see the green sign, it means that the box is already full. But for this box, it's still not full. So I'm going to help this member to fill the box. Okay, I'm going to help to fill, to submit the food. Okay, I'm going to select the raspberry frosted pancake. Okay, let's just put 2, and then we can click on submit. Okay, I'm going to help Babe Attitude collect supplies. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how you can complete the Collector's Challenge in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to claim the reward on the fashion activity. And I've already claimed it. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys, and bye!